I feel like if you can push yourself out of your comfort zone, it lets you find a new, you know, a new kind of found confidence, and it can broaden your, you know, your vision to kind of different things that you might find something you are passionate about that you never thought you would be passionate about.
Oh, it's dancing.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, it's dance partner and dancing with the stars.
That's not basketball.
Oh, Jesus, don't start with that. That was... Oh, Jesus, no.
Ladies, can you please come in here?
Oh, no. Come on, the girls.
Come on, the girls.
It's the girls.
I seen the dancing. I was like, all right, we'll be dancing by ourselves, grand, not that bad. Then I seen the girls come out, and Jesus, I was like, oh no. Like having to dance with someone else, like that was the worst part.
Forward, cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Yes, that's it.
I think in general when boys slag other boys for dancing, it's just because they wish they could do it themselves, but they don't have the confidence.
Get me out of the show, please. I didn't sign up for this.
I just like felt with the dancing, I knew I could do it because I do musical theatre. Like I have to do dancing in that, so I just felt like kind of got the hang of it really quickly.
Jacob, what's wrong with dancing?
I'm like, I would have danced.
It's because he was dancing with a girl.
Yeah, I didn't want to dance with a girl. It was kind of boring. It was so bad.
Like, I like doing it with Jordan because I found it less embarrassing. I found it easier to do with Jordan. But then when I had to like add on, do it with like a girl, I just found it a bit harder because I was a bit more embarrassed.
Forward, 1, 2, 3, back. Nice, Jordan. Jordan's a lovely girl there. You. Cha cha cha. Nice.
They're taking our thunder. This is unacceptable. We're gonna have to get back up and cha-cha side.
Now try not to look at your feet. Heads up. Cha cha cha. That's when it gets hard. Woo! Cha cha cha. You were very good.
Thank you.
Nice.
Oh, still though, like my mates, I'm gonna get slagged for like the next 2 years about this.
Okay, so I don't even know how I managed to mess it up. so it's literally 5 steps, and I managed to mess it up, I think, about twice. So
That's the whole
Well,
purpose
you've
of
only
learning.
learned it in 5 minutes. That was brilliant.
It's a good way to cope, like when I get like when I'm annoyed, I just like go into the kitchen and make up a random routine and just go on.
When my friends see this, they're going to think I'm a stupid person. And they're going to think I'm kind of weird for dancing with girls.
Just because someone does dancing, they're stupid, is it?
No, then my friends are going to think I'm stupid for dancing with girls.
Yeah, but don't listen to your friends. Don't be influenced by other people. You are very good.
I don't like dancing.
Be a man. You're not alive, boys, so you start kicking.